then we have to push the training to a level where it's like, oh, yeah, here we go. Right? That's where I was talking to Dylan earlier about, getting way outside your comfort zone. That's a way to push also. But the majority should be like this, especially if you're training people who aren't going to fight. Most of it should be where it's enjoyable. Now, what we're doing here is sparring. And a lot of people think sparring is too dangerous. It's, people, if I'm going to have people spar, they're going to get hurt, they're never going to come back. But that's not intelligent sparring. We want intelligent sparring where we can spar, actually have proper feedback, and nobody gets hurt, right? And everybody's smiling and having a good time because we get to play the game, right? We actually get to do our martial arts. So now we're going to do another drill. So I could go, let's go jab first. Okay, now only the cross. Now I'm going only jab, cross, straight jab, cross, and we could build this up into a big thing, but you understand that. So we're going to do a different concept now, and you're free to take notes whenever you like. So now he's just going to throw the jab only and go to touch, and my job is to only use head movement to avoid the strikes. So if I'm here, I'm like, oh, well, that wasn't a good head. Oh, right? I have to actually slip, right? Slip here, and slip back, sometimes duck. And so all we're doing is working that head movement, but not like this. Thank you. Not like this. Not the point. If you're doing it well and pushing yourself up to that edge of making yourself better, you should be touched every once in a while, right? Because if every single time you go through that, whoa, like this, then I'm not getting close, because what I want is to be able to just slip and still hit at the same time. That's the idea on slipping. You do your evasion with your head, upper body movement, but you're able to strike at the same time. But right now, you're not striking back. So one person's going to do the jab, double jab, you feint, come in, and then the other person only move using head movement to evade, trying to stay close, sometimes evading back. So outside, inside, back, duck. Got it? Okay, let's give it a try.